Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here today. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a returning subscriber or a new viewer, I'm thrilled to have you join us. If you're a freelancer or thinking about starting, you've probably heard about platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and LinkedIn. These are some of the most popular platforms out there. These platforms are popular ways to find clients and grow your freelance business. They offer a variety of opportunities and can be a great way to kickstart your career. But here's the thing, not all platforms are created equal. Each one has its own unique features and challenges, each has its own pros, cons, and quirks. Some might be better suited for certain types of work or specific industries. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. What works for one freelancer might not work for another. In this video, I'll dive deep into Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and LinkedIn. We'll explore what makes each platform unique. We'll break down the advantages, disadvantages, and I'll share my personal experiences. I'll give you insights that you won't find anywhere else. By the end, you'll know which platform is the best fit for your freelancing career. You'll have a clear understanding of where to focus your efforts. So, let's get into it. Grab a notebook, sit back, and let's explore the world of freelancing platforms together. First up, Upwork. It's one of the most well-known platforms in the freelance world. Upwork is a major player in the freelance space, connecting freelancers with clients for a wide range of projects. Whether you're a writer, a web developer, a virtual assistant, or an accountant, there's something for everyone. You can find anything from writing and web development to virtual assistants and accounting. Advantages: massive client base, secure payment system, robust filters, built-in time tracker, and a reviews and rating system. The reviews and rating system helps you build credibility and trust with potential clients. It's a great way to showcase your skills and get feedback. But there are disadvantages too: high fees, intense competition, and the need to submit proposals. The fees can eat into your earnings and the competition can be fierce, making it hard to stand out. Submitting proposals can be time-consuming and there's no guarantee you'll get the job. It requires persistence and patience. My personal take? Upwork was great for starting out and building my portfolio. It gave me the opportunity to work on a variety of projects and gain valuable experience. However, the fees and competition led me to seek clients outside of Upwork over time. I found that I could earn more and have more control over my projects by working directly with clients. I still use it occasionally for smaller projects or to try out new skills. It's a good platform for testing the waters and seeing what works for you. Next, Fiverr. Fiverr is different from Upwork. Freelancers offer pre-packaged services called gigs starting at $5. It's incredibly easy to get started. Create a gig, set your price, and you're open for business. Fiverr has a global reach, no bidding involved, and secure payments. Downsides: low rates, high fees, and limited customization. My personal thoughts? Fiverr is great for quick, standardized services like graphic design or video editing. I've used it to sell social media templates, and it's been a decent source of passive income. However, I wouldn't recommend Fiverr for larger, more complex projects. Now let's talk about Freelancer.com. Similar to Upwork, it offers a wide range of projects across various industries. Advantages: variety of projects, contests for cash prizes, milestone payments, and a mobile app. Downsides: high fees, bidding system, and variable client quality. My personal take? I've used Freelancer.com a few times, but I prefer Upwork. Upwork's interface is more user-friendly, and I've had better luck with the quality of clients. Finally, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for finding clients and growing your freelance business. It's the platform for professional networking, allowing you to connect with industry professionals, showcase your skills, and build relationships. Advantages: free to use, build your professional brand, targeted job board. Downsides: time-consuming to build a strong profile and network, no built-in escrow system. My personal experience? LinkedIn has been invaluable for landing high-paying clients through networking and showcasing my expertise. However, it requires time and effort to build your network and nurture relationships. So there you have it, my review of Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and LinkedIn. Each of these platforms offers unique opportunities and challenges for freelancers. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, it's crucial to understand what each platform can bring to your freelance career. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best one for you depends on your skills, goals, and preferences. Upwork is great for long-term projects and building lasting client relationships, while Fiverr is perfect for quick gigs and showcasing specific skills. Freelancer.com offers a mix of both, and LinkedIn is invaluable for networking and finding high-quality clients. If you're just starting out, try Upwork or Fiverr to gain experience and build your portfolio. These platforms are user-friendly and have a wide range of job opportunities that can help you get your foot in the door. As you complete more projects, you'll gain valuable experience and build a portfolio that showcases your skills. Once established, LinkedIn can be a game changer for finding high-quality clients and scaling your business. It's a powerful tool for networking and can help you connect with industry leaders and potential clients who are looking for your specific expertise. By leveraging LinkedIn, you can take your freelance career to the next level. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Your support helps us create more content that can guide you on your freelance journey. Don't forget to share this video with fellow freelancers who might benefit from these insights. Let me know in the comments. Which platform do you prefer and why? Your feedback is valuable and helps us understand what works best for our audience. Plus, sharing your experiences can help other freelancers make informed decisions. Until next time, happy freelancing. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. The freelance world is full of opportunities, and the right platform can make all the difference in your success.